Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. This video has two purposes. One is to let you see a little flip through of this travel kit style journal, and the other is to let you know about a giveaway. There will be more information below the video celebrating the fact that I have 1,000 subscribers now. So this cover is made by Nik the Booksmith's tome instructions in her adventures in booksmithing, and the inside is like the travel kit. So just like the ones before, this has a pocket. This is made out of a single sheet of Tim Holtz paper that's been scored and folded, and then the corners cut out to create this little pocket. And there's some items in here that you can kind of see that this one has sort of a woodsy naturalist theme by the ephemera that I've put to go in this journal. Some of the ephemera, this is Tim Holtz. These are from Graphics Fairy membership site. There's some things here that's from the membership site. Some little tags and things. This is from Dreams, etc. And then this is a piece of eco print paper. The little journal that's included with this ties in with the twine, is all about eco printing. So the cover is marbled paper that I marbled. The inside, this is Tyvek that I colored, and if you look at my previous video calling Let's Talk Papers, I talk about all of this. This is an eco print that is boiled paper. This is Jibid Neary's tutorial. You can find her video on doing these ink, I think she calls it eco staining or eco ink printing. This is blueberry paper. This is steamed eco printing, which doesn't give all the dark color because you are steaming it and it's not down in the iron solution that you boil the papers in. And then there's just some tea stained paper, but the journal itself, other than the eco print papers, is pretty plain. This area here, you could either put some papers here that are more delicate or whatever and fold it up, or you could glue this shut for an envelope in the center. But I just enjoyed all of the various kind of woodsy papers that came with this. In the little travel kit for this one, since I was thinking this was for someone that's kind of a naturalist, I put another little flower press, but this one I did a little differently. If you had looked at a previous video called The Herbalist, there were elastic bands, but this one, because of the orientation, it's more in a portrait oriented configuration. I decided to go with this closure, which is actually a hook and loop cable tie, which you can buy on Amazon. But the inside is very much like the last one. There is blotter paper that you do use in actual flower presses. And then the little dividers are covered with papers that have been printed with pieces from On a Whimsical Adventures, Herbarium, or pressed flowers. And there's just some really pretty images. But it would just give you an idea of what some of the pressed flowers that you might do would look like. So it has that, and it has this little pair of folding scissors, some specimen labels, tags, washi tape, and a pencil. So that's this little kit. If you look down below the video, there will be a Dropbox link, and in that link I have taken photographs of some of my boiled eco print papers and some of my favorite marble papers from my recent marbling adventure, and those will be free for you to use for your personal use, whatever you're going to do there. I just ask that you please not package them up and sell them. I know some people do those kinds of things, but I'm hoping that I won't have that experience and enjoy them. And I know that, you know, I'm fortunate that I have a nice studio where I can do those kind of things and some people don't. So thank you for helping me reach my 1,000 subscribers, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Bye.